NVIDIA has disclosed its stakeholdings in a 13F filing, revealing that it exited its positions in SoundHound AI and Serv Robotics, while reducing its stake in ARM Holdings. The filing also showed NVIDIA's stakes in WeRide and the Nibius Group. NVIDIA's recent equity holdings disclosure led to fluctuations in the fortunes of various companies. WeRide stock saw a nearly 90% increase after NVIDIA disclosed its new stake worth around $57 million, while Nibius Group's stock rose around 14%. Conversely, Serv Robotics stock dropped by as much as 40%, and SoundHound's by over 20% following NVIDIA's sale of its holdings in those companies. Over to Tempus AI, which announced a collaboration with Nonprofit Institute for Follicular Lymphoma Innovation, IFLI, to develop targeted therapies for follicular lymphoma, a type of cancer. Tempus data analytics platform Lens will be utilized in the partnership to accelerate the development of treatments and improve patient outcomes. Following the announcement, Tempus AI shares reached an all-time high. As for Airbnb, it beat earnings estimates and announced plans to launch new businesses in addition to its vacation home rental platform. CEO Brian Chesky stated his vision of making Airbnb more than just a destination for accommodation, likening it to Amazon's diverse product offerings. The company aims to increase user engagement from once or twice a year to once or twice a week by launching 1 or 2 new businesses annually over the next 4 to 5 years. This strategy will require an investment of $200 million to $250 million, impacting near-term margins. As for Coinbase, its share price fell even though they reported higher than expected revenues of $2.27 billion and earnings of $4.68 per share in their fourth quarter report. The cryptocurrency exchange benefited from the post-election rally of Bitcoin, with analysts suggesting that it represents a seismic shift towards increased adoption of blockchain technology. The company is also benefiting from a supportive regulatory environment, which Coinbase believes will enable their tokenization plans. For more on Coinbase and these other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.